The future is not something we wait for. It's something we create. Today's businesses have the power to break free from complexity. Information flows seamlessly, connecting every system, every possibility, everything. This is what it means to work smarter, not harder. But technology does not replace us, it empowers us. It's the human insight that turns information into action, and action into growth. Your business does not just react, it anticipates, optimizes, and grows with confidence. Unfold the future with unparalleled applications, unmatched data, and unrivaled AI. Because the future is not something you wait for, it is something you unleash.
Hi everyone, and welcome to our Business Unleashed event. Today, our customers are already realizing extensive value from SAP's integrated modular portfolio and our business AI innovations. But we are not stopping here. We continue to push the boundaries, and today we are launching a new game-changing data and AI offering that will unleash enormous value for our customers, an offering that only SAP can deliver. With the SAP Business Suite, our comprehensive set of integrated modular line of business applications, we are running our customers' most mission-critical end-to-end processes and data. And because this critical data resides in our system, we also know its semantical context. For example, the data structure, how the data relates to each other, as well as the business definition for the consumer, employee, supplier, or material data object, and who is allowed to access it. This strong foundation puts SAP in a very unique position. Only we can solve one of the major challenges facing every company today, making the most out of their data. Today, enterprises spend up to 50% of their total IT budget on data and analytics. Why? Because companies face large data silos between SAP, non-SAP data, unstructured, and structured data, with entire data scientist departments focused on trying to bring different data sources together, trying repeatedly and manually to match data formats without building a continuous, harmonized data layer for the company. Now, in the age of AI, more than ever, having one common semantical data layer for your business data is key. Only when you can bring together your SAP and non-SAP data, your structured and unstructured data, you can truly understand your business holistically, as well as the external trends impacting it. And only then you can have 100% reliable business data for AI, because large language models don't have access rights to the company's most sensitive business data, nor can they fully understand the context or quality of financial, consumer, supplier, or employee data. So, today we are going to solve this major challenge for every enterprise and unleash the full power of your data. We are very excited to announce the availability of our breakthrough innovation, SAP Business Data Cloud. SAP Business Data Cloud is a fully managed SaaS solution which only SAP can offer, that breaks down data silos and unifies data across SAP and non-SAP, structured and unstructured data, to offer one common data layer. Without replicating or extracting the data, SAP Business Data Cloud gives data engineering teams full control and seamless access to shared data by bringing together all your SAP and non-SAP data to create semantically aligned data products, allowing your company to get out of the box reliable and deeper analytical insights, and to unleash the full potential of your AI.
Future looks like wow.
At SAP, we have always believed in an open ecosystem approach, with hundreds of apps already on our marketplace. And now we are taking the next very exciting step, opening up our biggest treasure, our data model. And we are very excited to be on this journey together with our partner Databricks, a leader in data engineering and machine learning. Together, we are joining forces to serve the data needs of every organization. With Databricks as an embedded part of SAP Business Data Cloud, companies can seamlessly combine unstructured data from any source with the data products coming from our applications in one harmonized data model with ease. On top, customers will have access to the power of Databricks for data engineering and machine learning AI capabilities. And I'm excited that their CEO, Ali Ghodsi, will join us later to share more about this landmark partnership. Over time, SAP, Databricks, and our strong ecosystem of partners will help our customers implement this new solution and build more and more data products to further enrich this data layer, ultimately creating one of the world's most powerful B2B data marketplaces and making data silos a thing of the past. So, we have the data products, we have the data, structured and non-structured, and now we have laid the foundation to unlock completely new possibilities with Joule and agentic AI to create even more powerful AI. SAP Business AI has already delivered more than 130 generative AI scenarios to boost productivity, and groundbreaking innovations like Joule for consultants and developer to accelerate the transformation and the migration to the SAP Business Suite for our customers.
It's coming up right now. It's coming up right now.
Now, as we head deeper into 2025, we are very excited about how SAP Business Data Cloud will enable SAP Business AI to continue to revolutionize the way companies run and end users work. Through our new data products and the additional data context they provide, we are making the AI foundation even stronger, enabling even more powerful AI that can trigger more impactful action and analytics. With SAP Business Data Cloud, Joule will have access to more diverse and rich datasets to surface deeper insights, solve more complex business problems, and make smarter recommendations. For example, Joule can enrich a customer's payment history with third-party credit ratings to make more intelligent payment term recommendations. Plus, with the emergence of agentic AI capabilities, we are at the start of an exciting new chapter in this field. AI agents are much more than a simple prompt to a large language model. Agents can support and mirror human collaboration, autonomously working together to combine their expertise to perform multi-step workflows across end-to-end business processes. We are infusing Joule with agents for every core business function, including supply chain, procurement, finance, and more. These Joule agents can take the insights from SAP Business Data Cloud and put them into action for you, our customers. In short, we are making Joule the super orchestrator of tomorrow. Today, we are announcing the availability of Joule agents for claims management, sales, and customer service that will help you resolve disputes faster, elevate the speed and quality of sales engagements, and process customer inquiries more efficiently. This library of Joule agents is expanding this year to include more agents across human resources, supply chain, spend management, finance, and more. Additionally, we are excited to announce the Agent Builder capability for Joule Studio that lets you build and deploy custom Joule agents tailored for your specific business workflows and processes.
And it starts right now. It's like, wow.
Delivering technological innovation is great, but only if we deliver tremendous value for our customers. So let's take a look at how SAP Business Data Cloud and Joule will change the game for the different personas in the business. As a CFO, financial steering in a volatile and uncertain market is more important than ever. Today, however, the CFO's data, whether it is financial data, non-financial data, or external data like GDP, inflation, and market sentiment data, lies in silos. And when your CFO can't run real-time financial simulations with all these variables, it's impossible to navigate your company through challenging times. With SAP Business Data Cloud, we are offering data products that bring together financial data like general ledger or cash flow data with external data such as inflation rates, allowing finance to run simulations, for example, of the impact of inflation on the company's financial performance. This in itself is a huge breakthrough. But we are now taking it to the next level by unlocking Joule's powerful AI capabilities. With Joule's simulation capabilities, you can adjust variables so that you can visualize the impact on profitability and cash flow. And Joule agents can execute actions on price or other profitability levers to offset financial risks instantly. Let's take another example. The Chief Operating Officer. Your focus is on anticipating and mitigating supply chain disruptions. Manual risk assessments are time-consuming. They can't keep up with the dynamic nature of global supply chains. But with the SAP Business Data Cloud and our supply chain data products, you can combine SAP data like supplier, product, or inventory data with external data like vendor risk ratings or weather data to run real-time risk simulations. Then, by using Joule and SAP Business Data Cloud, you can ask natural language questions and trigger real-time action via our supply chain agents. It is a great example of how SAP Business Data Cloud and Joule enable you to shift from reactive responses to proactive risk mitigation, ensuring a more resilient and agile supply chain. Or finally, let's take the role of the CHRO. The CHRO needs a deep understanding of workforce composition, diversity, and skills to make strategic talent decisions. Insights into talent flow, attrition rates, and skill gaps are crucial for organizational success. With SAP Business Data Cloud, you can seamlessly access data products from SAP SuccessFactors, such as employee profiles, role descriptions, skills, and performance metrics, along with insights from open job requisitions and online labor market insights. By mapping these data products into SAP Knowledge Graph, Joule agents can help you answer questions like, what skills do my engineering and product teams lack today? And the result? A clear visualization of potential talent shortages, such as an anticipated gap in AI expertise, empowering CHROs to make decisions that drive workforce resilience and organizational growth. This gives you a comprehensive view of the current workforce, future talent needs, and regional talent availability, so that you can develop targeted upskilling programs and hiring strategies. These are just a few examples of how this combination of SAP Business Data Cloud and agentic AI is going to completely revolutionize how your enterprise runs and your teams will work in the future. And Muhammad will show you more on that later. These aren't just examples of what will be possible. Our customers, such as Sports, Henkel, HP, Vodafone, and many more, have been part of the development of SAP Business Data Cloud from the start. They are very excited that we are going to solve one of their biggest challenges together. And today, we look forward to showing you how this new innovation can help you in your enterprise. So first, let's hear from Miki North-Rieser, Group Vice President of Enterprise Software for IDC, to tell us about the enormous value of SAP Business Data Cloud and SAP Business AI.
Future looks like
The digital economy has fundamentally transformed our organizations. Whether it's the cloud, data, or artificial intelligence, technology is reshaping our world in profound ways. For years, data has been the sustaining life support for our organizations globally. When data is connected and utilized in context, it brings us the opportunity to model and predict and navigate our businesses so successfully. Unfortunately, our data is structured and unstructured. It's everywhere within and even external to our organizations, and it's often hard to access and bring together. And many organizations still have critical data that's on-prem. I laugh because it's still on-prem. It's tied to technology systems they can't get into, and in some cases, it's still in manual documentation. Because of these aspects, 58% of organizations in our IDC Office of the Chief Data Officer survey in 2024 told us they are migrating their data to the cloud in the next 12 to 18 months. And in IDC's Global Data Evaluation Survey of August 2024, 88% of respondents told us the volume of their data utilized has also greatly increased. Just over 50% of that group say their data is growing so fast and it's faster than they can use it. And almost 60% tell us the data they receive in their role they're not able to use, analyze, or even act upon it. Think about that. We can't use what we're given and need, and we have no time to even analyze or act upon it. We can't run a business that way. Not surprisingly, IDC tracks and forecasts about data growth, and that measures how much new data is created, captured, replicated, and consumed each year. And we find by 2028, the data usage will grow significantly. The reality is that in this new AI-enabled digital world, both unstructured and structured data will grow substantially as the growing impact of generative AI means organizations need to adopt their data management strategies to respond to the changing mix of data to give more insights and value to their organizations. In fact, 94.5% of organizations have told us they expect the use of generative AI will increase the total volume of their data in the next 2 years. It is clear the digital business world requires clear pathways to use your data, the way you need to and in the cloud, and to tie it to the AI strategies for your entire business. SAP is underscoring this with their SAP Business Data Cloud, a cloud solution that harmonizes data no matter where it lives in full integration within the business applications, and an open data ecosystem, such as Databricks and Business Data Cloud, that simplifies a customer's data landscape and pushes for interoperability. It's a competitive offering by SAP that businesses will certainly consider as they seek to get the most value out of their data and AI investments. Organizations that think about their data and innovative technology holistically will vastly improve their decision-making velocity. They'll utilize their data-driven information so much faster, and they'll find valuable insights that will help them navigate their businesses much better.
Oh wow, it's like wow.
As Christian mentioned earlier, every leader today feels the weight of growing business complexity, whether it's CFOs balancing growth and profitability, CHROs managing talent in an ever-evolving workforce, or CIOs modernizing IT while innovating for their enterprises. The true challenge, however, lies in the interconnectedness of these functions. When one part of the business is disrupted, whether it's a supply chain issue or a talent gap, the ripple effects are felt everywhere. To succeed, businesses need more than solutions for individual challenges. They need a way to align every function of the organization to deliver truly transformational value. This is the promise of the SAP Business Suite. With SAP Business Applications, you have the ability to cover the entire business value chain, from order to cash, procure to pay, design to operate, to hire and retire, and record to report. And with decades of expertise, SAP has tailored these business processes to your industry's nuances, whether you're in manufacturing, in retail, in healthcare, or beyond. We also know that businesses operate in a complex and mixed application landscape. So SAP's business technology platform with SAP Build and SAP Integration Suite enable you to connect all the pieces of your complex landscape through our GenAI powered tools for app development, automation, and integration. They let you adapt, connect, and extend SAP Business Suite to fit your organization's unique needs. In the era of AI, data is the foundation for innovation and resilience, especially the semantically rich data flowing from these mission-critical applications in SAP Business Suite that are running your business.
Wow. And it starts right now. Yeah, wow.
As Christian noted earlier, customers are spending a vast amount of resources, both in time and effort, in connecting data from every part of their organization, which is why at the core of SAP Business Data Cloud, we harmonize all data across all your business processes. We deliver fully managed SAP data products across all business processes, whether they are in SAP S/4HANA, such as finance, order management, or supply chain data products, or in SAP SuccessFactors, such as core HR, learning, or talent-related data products, or in SAP Ariba. These curated data products align to a highly optimized and unified one domain model, maintaining the original business context and semantics, which means you get immediate access to high-quality data without repetitive data extraction. And because these data products are fully managed by SAP, you no longer bear the hidden costs of rebuilding and maintaining application data pipelines, saving you time, resources, and effort. The SaaS experience of the SAP Business Data Cloud will also simplify lifecycle management of customer data extensions and maintain coherency in the data products that can be shared in a zero-copy approach to a variety of data and analytics applications. With this, we're truly unleashing the data product economy for some of the most critical and high-fidelity data in the enterprise landscape. SAP Business Data Cloud empowers both customers and partners to build and consume their own data products to drive AI and analytical applications.
It's coming up right now.
We recognize also that most of you have made significant investments in your data strategy and on data platforms, and that you have a rapidly expanding data footprint of both structured and unstructured data, which is why we've designed SAP Business Data Cloud to integrate both SAP and non-SAP data without duplication or extraction, simplifying your data landscape by leveraging business data fabric principles to discover, share, govern, and model data with ease, again, across both SAP and non-SAP data sources. We prioritize openness and customer choice, enabling you to connect with harmonized data across SAP applications and utilize best-in-class data engineering tools that you rely on every day. Because ultimately, this is your data and your data strategy, not SAP's or of any other application or technology provider. It's these core principles that guided us as the leader in mission-critical business applications via the SAP Business Suite to partner with Databricks, the leader in modern data platforms, to provide a complete yet managed and open solution for simplifying your data landscape. With this one-of-a-kind partnership in the business application space, we're bringing the power of Databricks directly and natively in SAP Business Data Cloud. This marks a new era in enterprise data management, with two leaders in their own domain coming together to define how applications and data platforms work intrinsically together. Native Databricks capabilities in SAP Business Data Cloud empowers customers to tackle advanced AI and ML workloads with capabilities like delta sharing to harmonize data products and integrate with existing lakehouses bidirectionally. Business Data Cloud also provides a clear path forward and the most cost-effective way for existing SAP Business Warehouse customers to move and modernize their existing landscapes on to SAP Business Data Cloud. This enables you to transition to a modern architecture to process the ever-increasing large volumes of structured and unstructured data. As a core principle, SAP Business Data Cloud is designed to support an open data ecosystem. It integrates natively with leading data solutions providers like Collibra, Confluent, and DataRobot. We will also announce more partnerships in the near future.
It's coming up right now.
But we aren't just stopping at that. With SAP Business Data Cloud, we're unlocking the true value of data across the breadth of your connected processes with transformative insight applications. These insight applications are connected real-time to data through the data products in Business Data Cloud, powering everything from reporting, advanced analytics, and planning. Built on harmonized data models across the entirety of SAP Business Suite, insight applications provide immediate value to the business without manual data preparation. The end-to-end nature of these insights is where true value gets unlocked. For instance, with supply chain planning, you can quickly see the impact of any adjustments on your plan on your financials. Or you can have more accurate financial plans that are refreshed with real-time visibility of your workforce and hiring activities out of the box. To dramatically reduce the time to value, insight applications incorporate predefined metrics and analytics that are connected out of the box to real-time business data through the data products, so that you don't have to do the manual tasks it takes to create these apps and maintain them. These insight applications are built on top of our harmonized data model. This allows you to leverage the data model and easily map and customize third-party data that you need to connect to Business Data Cloud. In line with our principles of openness, it's not just SAP that provides these insight applications on top of Business Data Cloud. With a large partner ecosystem, we have partners with deep business process and industry domain expertise that are building insight applications on Business Data Cloud. From data enrichment to data activation, partner insight applications build on top of the data products and the core services Business Data Cloud provides. Today, we have Accenture, Capgemini, Deloitte, Data Robot, EY, and PwC that are already building these insight applications, and we plan to announce many more in the near future.
Future looks like
Ultimately, though, we know that you want trusted and governed data to drive AI scenarios across your business processes, whether they're predictive and ML-based or Gen AI-based. This is why, with our copilot Joule, SAP Business Data Cloud provides AI-generated data exploration, as well as provides automation in planning and data management tasks. We're also powering SAP Business Data Cloud with SAP Knowledge Graph that mirrors semantically how your business works through its deep understanding of your data and its relationships. It connects tables, fields, processes, and context, creating a web of complex data relationships across the SAP Business Suite, so we can make it simple for you to get the answers you're looking for. So enough talk now. Let's see all of this in action. I will hand it over to Orla Cullen, our Senior Director of Product Marketing for Data and Analytics, who will walk us through a demo of SAP Business Data Cloud.
wow. And it starts right now. Yeah, wow.
Thanks, Mohammed. Imagine a CFO who has concerns about their organization's profitability and cash flow following a quarterly financial briefing. She enlists the help of the company's business analysts to provide her and key stakeholders the answers they need. And to show you how this works, we enter SAP Business Data Cloud and immediately see many insightful applications and data products. Now I can see that SAP Business Data Cloud offers a comprehensive set of insight apps across finance, supply chain, and many more, ready for me to use. I'll go ahead and click into Core Enterprise Analytics. Right away, I see a rich collection of pre-built data products, models, and reports from SAP. But these aren't just static dashboards, they're dynamic and ready for me to explore. Let me open the working capital package, which covers key finance metrics to help us investigate profitability and cash flow concerns. Within the working capital package, we see details of the dashboards and all the data products included, and we can then go ahead and install the package. We can then browse the data catalog, where we see a vast selection of semantically rich data products across industries and line of business. We drill in to see our finance data products, including the ones we just installed with the working capital package. We start our analysis by opening the liquidity and cash flow dashboard in the working capital package and review the cash flow forecast. And as per our quarterly briefing, we see some concerns. Next, we take a look at some of the key KPIs on the homepage, in particular, our cash conversion cycle, a metric telling us how fast we convert inventory to cash flow. And we see it has declined from the previous year. There are several components that make up this metric, including days sales outstanding, or DSO, days payable outstanding, or DPO, and days inventory outstanding, or DIO. And we have a dedicated dashboard for each of these topics delivered out of the box with the working capital package. We go to our accounts receivable page, take a look at days sales outstanding. We're able to drill down into the data to further understand whether there is an issue with potential delays in customer payments, which is resulting in an increase in DSO. We would like to understand what is behind this increase in DSO, so our business analyst contacts the company's data analyst and data scientist to help with the task. To accurately forecast issues with open receivables, we need to access historical data on customer payments. So we open the data builder in SAP Business Data Cloud And we connect historical customer payment information data from SAP Business Warehouse and reseller payment information data from Google BigQuery. We also integrate a dataset from Moody's, which gives us risk data by customer segment. Next, we use SAP Databricks in SAP Business Data Cloud to predict the payment date on our open receivables to see if they're likely to be late, and if so, by how many days. We can then save this scored data as a new data product back into the data catalog. Back in our working capital dashboard, we asked Joule, SAP's AI copilot, to show us a breakdown of open payables by predicted payment date and group these in time segments. Joule searches and finds the SAP Databricks predicted payment data product and returns a chart with predicted payments broken down in time buckets. We then add this chart to our dashboard, and we can see a large volume of delayed payments are in the 0 to 30-day range. We can then use the AI simulation capabilities in SAP Business Data Cloud to compare tens of thousands of business scenarios to arrive at the optimal payment strategy. Again, we see the 0 to 30 range is having a big impact, which is important information for our collection teams. But if we take a look behind the curtain on how all of this is possible, we go to SAP Knowledge Graph, which shows me a rich semantic web of relationships within my data, drawing powerful new insights from connections that are otherwise difficult to follow, enabling me to more effectively leverage our data for generative AI. Here we've seen that with our working capital package delivered out of the box with SAP Business Data Cloud, we can quickly uncover the many drivers impacting our cash flow and take corrective action to address them. And as Mohammed shared earlier, it's not only SAP creating inside apps, our partners are investing too. We just saw SAP Databricks in SAP Business Data Cloud, but we're working with other partners such as Calibra, Data Robot and Confluent, and many, many more to come. But let's take an example from Data Robot. In the working capital scenario, they use their industry-leading AI applications and platforms on SAP S/4HANA historical payment data to create an inside app, forecasting our incoming revenue week by week, helping us better understand our cash position. We compare our expected revenue income for the coming weeks, which is lower than what we had predicted in our cash flow prediction, so we know this is an area where we need to take action. This information is then shared with our collection teams, where you'll see a little bit later how they're using the latest AI technology to automate the collection process. From a single solution, SAP Business Data Cloud enabled both our business analysts and data experts to connect all their data across multiple systems and deliver the answers our CFO needed. Back to you, Mohammed.
Future looks like
Thank you, Orla. Hopefully this gives you a small glimpse of the possibilities for what you can do with your business data when it retains full context. In a world where organizations have data in multiple cloud environments and across multiple data platforms, interoperability and openness become a critical success factor so that everyone is working off of the same trusted and governed data sets. To discuss how we're making these capabilities real, I would now like to welcome the CEO of Databricks, Ali Ghodsi, to share his perspective on this new, unique, and powerful combination of the collective strengths of our respective organizations, all designed to create exponential value for our mutual customers. Ali, welcome to our launch event.
Thank you so much. Very excited to be here.
Ali, one of the things that's really stood out for me in our many, many conversations over the last many months in materializing this partnership is how you intuitively and immediately got the value this partnership can unlock for our customers. So let's start with that. How do you think that combining Databricks' capabilities with SAP's expertise in applications creates superior customer outcomes with the SAP Business Data Cloud?
That's such a great question. So the way I think about it is all organizations on the planet, they want to get value out of their data. They want to do analytics, now they want to do AI, but the really hard part is the data part. And a lot of that is SAP data, but there's also data elsewhere. And the hardest part is how do you combine that data? How do you get good quality out of that data so that you can go on and build those analytics use cases or those AI applications? So the reason it immediately clicked is that when you bring that SAP data together with the Databricks, Databricks platform, you can build these applications that immediately get the business semantics out of the SAP data. The SAP data is already readily available there with all of its semantics. You can combine it with all the other data sets that you need. And then when you combine this, with the governance that you can get out of things like Unity Catalog, then you can actually really lock down the security and the privacy of your platform. You can accomplish things that you couldn't do before. So one of my favorite examples is that we have a joint oil and gas company. It's actually one of the largest in the world. And they want to really be able to optimize their inventory levels. This used to take them 48 hours, but together with SAP Databricks, the data that they have on inventory levels is already readily available with the business semantics, available right there. And they can now actually cut that down, and they can do it in 45 minutes, almost real time. And the way they do it is, in SAP Databricks, they combine the SAP data with data that they bring in from 3,000 other parts of data that they need. And now they can almost in real time adjust their inventory level. So it's really amazing.
That's an amazing story. I know one of the challenges our install base faces today is in transitioning and modernizing mission-critical data estates, particularly SAP Business Warehouse or SAP BW. Can you share some of the innovations we're jointly working on with Databricks and SAP Business Data Cloud to meet this growing need of our customers for data estate modernization?
Yeah, so look, a lot of the data is sitting on premises. They have lots of different data sources. They have legacy systems, and they're going through this business transformation. And with SAP Databricks and our joint offering, they can now really get all of their business data, all of their SAP data, and they can also intermix it and join it with external data. And this is not just structured data. They can now combine it with all the unstructured data sets that they have in the organization. There's so many logs, interactions with customers. There's many, many data sources, images, and so on in an organization. And by putting that in Unity Catalog so they can govern it, so that it's secure, they can do fantastic things on top. So they can do data warehousing, they can even build analytics, all the way to AI systems. And I'm especially really excited about the agentic systems that they can build on top of that SAP data that's available in SAP Databricks.
Awesome. And I know, so modernizing existing data estates, as we talked about, is of course a big objective of its own, but SAP Business Data Cloud with Databricks also opens up new use cases, some you already touched on, but some new use cases for our customers to create value. What are some of the things that come top of mind for you, Ali, in terms of these new use cases, particularly with this native availability of Databricks in SAP Business Data Cloud?
Yeah, the thing I'm really excited about is that in this digital transformation journey that they're going through, now they can actually get to all this untapped SAP data. It used to be very, very hard with Databricks to get that SAP data. It was largely unutilized, but now you get that. In addition, it also has all this enriched business semantics. So really what I'm excited about is the opportunity for Databricks to be able to not just be something that the IT departments use, but together with SAP and Business Data Cloud, we can now go from the IT department into the finance use cases, or the people operations, or HR, or really the supply chain. So we can really now unlock business value in a way that we couldn't do before. So this really provides the full end-to-end data and AI platform for enterprises.
Very well said, Ali. Ali, one of the things that personally to me has been really impressive has been to see the growth and prominence that Databricks as a company has seen under your leadership. I think your vision, your depth in the data space, and clarity of purpose is, I think widely acknowledged in the industry. So tell us from your perspective how this solution, this partnership aligns with what your long-term and strategic vision is for Databricks as a company.
Yeah. I think that most organizations today, they see the promise that AI brings, especially agentic workflows. So using agents that can automate a lot of the work that today is manual, that's the real promise. But that's not easy to do. And the secret sauce really lies in the data. And the most important data in the world is SAP data that most organizations have. So actually to be able to have these agents to work on behalf of these businesses, while at the same time being able to secure it and make sure that they can do the governance. That's the most important thing. So I'm really excited to really unlock that SAP data value by infusing it into these agentic workflows and really unlocking the true potential of SAP Databricks together.
Ali, it's great to speak with you again. And thank you so much again for joining us today. I'm really excited about our partnership and sort of these two strong powerhouses coming together, and look forward to seeing the value that it unlocks for our customers.
I'm super excited to partner for many, many years to come with SAP.
You've heard the strategy, and you've also now heard from Ali, whose solution is a core part of SAP Business Data Cloud. Now, let's hear from one of our many early access customers who over the last few weeks have been hands-on with SAP Business Data Cloud. I would like to introduce Marcus Hartmann, Head of Business Technology and European Region, and Dimitri Lerner, Corporate Director of Value Chain Platform from Henkel, a leader in industrial and consumer goods such as hair care products, laundry detergents, as well as adhesives, sealants, and many other products. Marcus and Dimitri will share their experiences using SAP Business Data Cloud in private preview.
Oh wow, it's like wow.
At Henkel, we are committed to pioneering technology for the good of generations. Our dedication to innovation enables us to create and grow brands that are used and celebrated across the world. Unlocking the full potential of all our data is our top priority to continue our growth and product innovation.
SAP's data analytics solutions have served us as a cornerstone of our data strategy for many years now. We rely on our SAP data investments for industry-leading semantic modeling and enabling a more agile approach to delivering clean and governed data, and with SAP Business Data Cloud, we can take it to the next level. What is truly exciting for us is seeing Databricks and SAP coming together to significantly simplify our data landscape. Databricks has been our central lakehouse for years now, which has enabled us to build sophisticated data products, from financial analytics to inventory management. And now, with this landmark partnership, our day-to-day data management and AI machine learning development tasks will have constant connection to our latest business data.
In today's interconnected world, it's not about choosing between systems, but about bridging them. And that's what SAP Business Data Cloud provides. Our seamless evolution from DataSphere to Business Data Cloud will enable us to flexibly evolve our data products without disruptive data extraction or rebuilding critical semantics. Business Data Cloud closes the gap between technology and decision-making by delivering harmonized data in business terms our users can understand. And thanks to BDC, we can increase the value from our SAP Business AI investments with trusted data. Together with SAP, we are not just solving today's challenges. The data foundation we are building will fuel our AI and drive innovation at Henkel for years to come.
It's coming up right now.
Thank you, Marcus and Dimitri. We've now seen how Business Data Cloud can help you leverage your data to its full potential. And full potential means leveraging this harmonized, managed, and governed data state to unlock the exponential value that applying AI to your business processes has to offer. SAP is no stranger to investing in AI. We've been investing in AI for years, from ML-based predictive capabilities to now hundreds of Gen AI scenarios natively available in SAP Business Suite. Now, with the introduction of agentic AI, SAP stands alone in its ability to drive transformative value across your business processes by breaking down functional silos and accelerating cross-enterprise collaboration. We can do that because only we have the two critical ingredients you need to build smart and effective agents for your business. First, deep business process understanding and context across the enterprise through the SAP Business Suite. And secondly, access to the most semantically rich and context-rich data through SAP Business Data Cloud. Without these two critical ingredients, what you're left with are platform-level capabilities that require you, as the customer, to do the heavy lifting in providing business process context, integration of applications, and semantically rich data to build just one effective agent, let alone billions, as some might hope. With this combination of business process context and semantically rich data, we're working on creating a system of collaborative agents that will enable your business to run at its best. And because this business process context and semantically rich data products are extensible, allowing you to connect your complex heterogeneous landscape our agents are able to connect to non-SAP applications as needed to complete the task. I couldn't be more excited about our work here. So before I give it all away, let me invite Dr. Philipp Herzig to share the exciting work we're doing to redefine business applications with AI agents. Over to you, Philipp.
Oh wow. It's like wow.
Thanks, Muhammad. At SAP, we have one crystal clear focus in everything we do. You, our customers. And we want to provide you with unparalleled business value. Alone last year, we delivered more than 130 generative AI use cases that can save your business up to $100 million every year. But it's not about the pure benefits that all those features bring individually. From the very beginning, we have designed our AI architecture with a suite-first principle. Now, suite-first ensures an integrated approach across the entire enterprise so that AI can live up to its fullest potential and providing an unmatched unified user experience. For example, with Joule, our generative AI copilot, that already today is truly one seamless integration layer across the entire suite. It really doesn't matter from where you access Joule. All your transactions, operational data, or analytics are available from anywhere at any time, using, of course, all your security and data privacy investments. And this is made possible with more than 1,300 Joule skills that are coming out of the box with our suite of applications. And with Joule Studio, you can design your own skills with ease. With all this in place, we have already created a strong foundation for the next leap with SAP Business AI. We are entering a new era, the era of AI agents. Introducing Joule agents. Thanks to technological advances such as new test time compute models that can reason, neurosymbolic AI approaches like SAP Knowledge Graph, or long-term memory that allows for continuous learning, have enabled a new cognitive architecture. A cognitive architecture that is capable of reasoning and planning and learning complex business tasks. And this allows us to build Joule agents that are far more capable than today's generative AI experiences that actually carry out real work from start to finish. Think of Joule agents as highly efficient virtual coworkers that work together through complex business processes and tasks. And thanks to our fully integrated approach, we're in fact designing a system of collaborative agents that work within and across the suite to support every single business function, solving way more complex business challenges and drive productivity. That's why it's not important to have billions of AI agents. It's about having the right ones with the right skills, grounded in the right data with the right guidance through SAP's end-to-end business processes, so they can work together seamlessly to break down traditional business silos. It's a bit like in the real world where it's not about the size of the team, but the quality and the diversity of skills so they can accomplish extraordinary work. And that's what Joule agents are all about. And with the exciting introduction of SAP Business Data Cloud, we make Joule and Joule agents even more capable, because AI agents are only as powerful as the data they are grounded in. SAP Business Data Cloud is supercharging Joule agents with high-quality data products across the suite, as well as non-SAP data in an integrated and unified way. Now, SAP Business Data Cloud and Joule agents are connected through SAP Knowledge Graph. SAP Knowledge Graph provides Joule agents with the right semantical model and understanding that grounds them in the business context and allows them to reason over the data. This grounding enables Joule agents to seamlessly navigate relevant business process knowledge and the right data products to solve more complex problems because you can fully understand the context. Think of this as the glue between natural language on the one side and SAP Business Data Cloud on the other. And it really leads to highly efficient, connected cross-enterprise outcomes. Joule agents are available in all parts of the business, delivered out of the box with Joule and SAP suite of applications. For example, in finance, where cash collection and dispute management agents work together across a wide variety of tasks to process, for example, claims faster or improve your cash flow. And with the continuous financial closing agent, we are able to continuously reconcile transactions as they enter the ledger, immediately flagging any discrepancies to reduce errors or accelerating the closing process or enhancing financial accuracy and compliance. Or our sales rep agent in SAP Sales Cloud that will automatically spot questions and opportunities from customers and surface relevant answers from any approved sources. It autonomously monitors incoming cases and service requests, classifies and routes them correctly to the right team, and surfaces relevant answers and generates knowledge articles, which eventually improves customer satisfaction and sales efficiency. These are just a few examples of Joule agents that are available as of today in beta, with so much more to come in the next few months. Joule agents are available to you with one click, ready to support you in your daily work. And while SAP is delivering Joule agents as part of the suite, we know the world is more colorful, and of course you also want to include your other data and APIs and business processes from maybe non-SAP application. That's why we give you the right tools at hand so you can build your own. I'm excited to announce Agent Builder. Agent Builder is a new capability part of Joule Studio. It lets you build and deploy custom Joule agents tailored for your specific needs. And to build the best agents for business, Agent Builder gives you access to a broad array of tools, such as, of course, all the out-of-the-box Joule agents we just talked about, Joule functions, so your Joule agents can interact directly with the suite for operational processes, as well as data products from SAP Business Data Cloud and the SAP Knowledge Graph to ground your agents with all your data. As well as, of course, some general purpose tools for, communication and code generation and more. And to show it to us in action, here is Sarah.
Future looks like
Thank you, Philip. So we've seen the value that Joule agents can deliver to your organization out of the box. Now what about creating our own agent from scratch? As an example, we will now build a Joule agent that helps us to negotiate better prices with our suppliers. Let's walk through the simple steps to get there. We start in Joule Studio and ask Joule to help us. In the first step, we describe the purpose of this Joule agent. Joule will guide us through the process. We want the Joule agent to help procurement managers develop a negotiation strategy to better work with our suppliers. Next, our Joule agent needs a name. And here are some suggestions, and I can generate even more. But in this case, I want to call it the pricing negotiator. Joule then takes us to a build page and fills out the basic information. It analyzes the description, and from this, generates an avatar and a banner image. That's quite cool. We're ready to walk through some onboarding steps now. We need to assign the pricing negotiator to a specific business process to perform specialized tasks. Joule suggests a sub-process within the source-to-pay business process, which is correct. I can also check for some more details right here. And that looks great, so let's continue. Joule agents provide most value when collaborating together. That's why we connect our pricing negotiator to our other agents. Here you can see some suggestions, and all of them look great, so let's add them. I check out the AI team, and all AI agents I added are there. Additionally, we can add third-party agents. I want to add Microsoft Copilot, so I search for it and add it to the team in just one click. As we've learned, data is key to ensure our Joule agent is grounded in business context. And thanks to SAP Business Data Cloud and SAP Knowledge Graph, all data products we can see here look great. Contract, invoice, payment history, and more. So let's add those. If I want to add information outside my organization, such as third-party benchmarking, this is straightforward. I just search it and then add it. Next, I want to equip our Joule agent with the tools it needs to perform all sorts of different functions. We want to give our pricing negotiator access to the functional library of Joule skills, such as invoice management and supplier search skills. I will accept these. We want to define when the pricing negotiator will be active, and this is done via triggers. We have multiple options here. The default is calling it directly from Joule, but we could create a schedule or link it to another process. I will leave the default for now. The primary way pricing negotiator interacts with us is the next thing we need to define. As we like to use Microsoft Teams, I will set that as the primary communication channel. So let's select that, run a quick double check, and great. Up until now, we have focused on giving our Joule agent the business context it needs to operate in our organization. Now, we need to equip it with the aptitude to apply the intelligence to create the sourcing strategy we need. With all the information we've provided so far, Joule summarizes its understanding of what the Joule agent will do. This is in the form of key objectives, and it describes tools it will be using. If required, we can add some additional constraints. For example, if a supplier has deliveries overdue for more than 90 days, we will just stop to negotiate with them until the deliveries are resolved. Now, we're faced with a choice if we want to use a reasoning model. Reasoning models will help the pricing negotiator to make more nuanced judgments to better derive results. So that's a clear yes. And I select the O1 mini model. I can further configure the model, but for now, that all looks good. And that means it's now finally time to test the Joule agent. Joule takes me through the test page, and I'm going to type in a test prompt. Look up the last RFQ issued to our supplier Bestron and create a negotiation strategy. So our Joule agent starts to plan and to reason. It is using all of the input we have supplied, and it leverages the reasoning model to ensure we have an optimal strategy. And here we go. That's our negotiation strategy. This is excellent. I can see the information provided by the RFQ, key negotiation tactics, risks, and even alternatives. And right at the end of it, there's a summary of our plan. And that's a wrap. So we've just seen how easy it is to create our own Joule agent. Imagine the value you can achieve with this for your organization. And with that, back to you, Philip.
Thanks, Sarah. This is super exciting, and we can't wait to see what you are going to build with it. So what makes Joule agents unique and valuable, both for the out-of-the-box and your custom agents, is the deep context grounding they are based on. Again, your specific business data, your unique business processes, and your individual business tools. The things that are unique and differentiating to you as a business. Now turbocharged with Joule agents. Something no other vendor in the industry can match. Back to you, Muhammad.
Thank you so much, Philip. Let's now take a look at how our customer, Bosch, a multinational engineering and technology company, is leading the way in bringing the power of SAP Business AI capabilities to create value in their organization.
Hi, I'm Florian Haustein, Head of Digital Customer Experience at Bosch Power Tools. I'm excited to share how Bosch's ongoing AI investments with SAP will be changing our operations, improving efficiency, and driving productivity gains. Let me start with a tangible example. Our service teams at Bosch Power Tools handle millions of tickets per year. Previously, we relied on countless of static rules to route each ticket, a complex, slow, and frustrating process for everyone. Now we flipped the model. An AI agent analyzes each ticket's context and automatically directs it to the right team for that specific customer inquiry. The global rollout of the case classification agent in SAP Service Cloud will eliminate hundreds of workflow rules while significantly improving first-touch accuracy. With faster responses, better first-time resolution, and consistent service quality, our service operations will become more efficient. Even as we introduce new products and services, adjustments can be made in minutes instead of weeks. This transformation not only saves thousands of work hours annually, but also optimizes costs. A true leap forward in intelligent service management. Our overall AI journey at Bosch is driven by a commitment to enhancing capabilities and uncovering potentials. This is why we count on SAP Business AI. As part of this initiative, we're exploring Joule's integration with SAP S/4HANA in both the public and private cloud. Additionally, we're partnering with SAP to advance embedded AI in business solutions, make use of Joule AI agents, and develop custom AI applications on the SAP Business Technology Platform. As part of Bosch's data and AI strategy, we're focusing on a number of essential embedded AI use cases. By showcasing our AI capabilities on platforms like the Experience Platform, we aim to drive interest and spark essential discussions to accelerate potential rollouts within the company. At Bosch, we're excited about the future. By leveraging AI technology in collaboration with industry leaders like SAP, we're driving efficiency, boosting productivity, and achieving significant cost savings. Together, we're shaping a smarter tomorrow.
Are you ready?
Let's transition now and hear from another one of our marquee customers, who also happens to be one of our most strategic partners, about how they're unlocking value first and foremost for their own organization and then also for our mutual customers through the power of SAP Business Suite, SAP Business Data Cloud, and SAP Business AI.
It's coming up right now.
Thank you, Mohammed, and congratulations on this incredible announcement. With SAP Business Suite, you're making it easier for clients to combine the power of applications, data, and AI. Laying the foundation for the future of data and AI is important to every business leader I speak with. We've been working closely with SAP for a long time as a customer and a partner. Now, through our unique partnership and deep experience in SAP and the investments we've made to be at the forefront of data and AI, we are positioned to help companies move faster together. I want to emphasize two elements that are essential for reinvention and for realizing the full power of data and AI. First, the need for cloud and the modern digital core. We began our journey as a customer with our finance transformation, where we reinvented our processes and modernized our digital core with SAP S/4HANA Cloud, connecting apps, data, and AI. Moving to the cloud wasn't just about efficiency and productivity. Though those are important benefits, it was about being ready for reinvention and laying the foundation for AI-enabled innovation. Second, the importance of getting data AI ready. It is a challenge many clients face at all stages of their reinvention. Your data is your competitive advantage, but you have to be able to use it. To use and scale AI, you need data that is trusted, governed, and secure. And that includes SAP data, data from other internal systems, and external data. You also need to understand the business context for that data, and that is where SAP stands out. We speak from experience. As part of Accenture's own data journey, we are modernizing our SAP estate with DataSphere, enabling new and powerful use cases around AI. DataSphere has also positioned us to be a business data cloud customer in the future. And now, we are very excited to see SAP making it even easier to access harmonized data. Business Data Cloud will let you use your context-ready SAP data with the broader data ecosystem in an open way, creating a trusted data foundation for AI. And your teams can use that same data to fuel the autonomous future, because AI agents need that data and the context to be valuable and relevant and to keep learning and continuously evolving. We're working closely with SAP and Databricks' product and engineering teams to help clients maximize the convenience of integrated and open data, draw better insights faster, create new personalizations, and launch AI-based innovations. Imagine the possibilities. Insight apps that enable greater supply chain visibility, advanced revenue forecasting, and talent insights that elevate the employee experience. Now, to enable this future, we are creating a dedicated team that brings together our deep experience with SAP apps and data, along with our Databricks expertise, to help clients innovate faster with these new incredible capabilities. We are honored to be part of this journey with SAP, helping companies around the world accelerate their reinvention and realize the power and potential of data and AI. We look forward to working together with all of you and for the impact BDC will have for us and for our clients. Back to you, Mohammed.
As you've seen today, at SAP, we're uniquely positioned to deliver transformative outcomes that bring out the best in your business. With SAP Business Suite at its core, SAP Business Data Cloud provides you with the data foundation across your SAP and non-SAP landscape so you can focus on creating value rather than the mundane tasks of data management. With our unique and industry-leading partnership with Databricks, you have a complete yet open platform to power your data strategy. And with Inside Applications, SAP Business AI, and our investments in AI agents, we're also focused on helping you take control of your future by creating a connected, intelligent set of systems capable of predicting, adapting, and acting autonomously. You can get started today by beginning your journey to learn more about SAP Business Data Cloud and our agentic AI. Our SAP experts are staying online for the next 30 minutes to answer your questions. Please feel free to take advantage of this opportunity. And remember to join us at Sapphire in May, where you will see the entirety of the SAP Business Suite in action. Thank you so much for joining us today.